Hi guys, I'm Avinash and in today's episode of Avi's Kitchen we'll be making lava cookies. Cookies is one of my favorite guilty pleasure and these ones are stuffed with Nutella and are my absolute favorite. It's really simple to make at home and these are the ingredients you'll need. You can find all the ingredient quantities in YouTube description box below. I'm using some butter. Your butter should be at room temperature. It should not be melting. It should not be out of the refrigerator. It should be at room temperature. It's very important. I'm using unsalted butter in this recipe, but you can use salted if that's what you have. Some brown sugar, white caster sugar. I personally like cookies which are a little crispy outside but really soft and gooey inside. So this is a perfect cookie for me, and to achieve that texture, I'll be using both white sugar and brown sugar. White sugar helps in making the cookie crispy and brown sugar has molasses in them which makes the inside soft and chewy. An egg, some baking powder, pinch of salt, all-purpose flour. For our mix-ins, I'm using toasted and chopped hazelnuts, Caribou 811 NV dark chocolate and Caribou gold chocolate. And I'll be filling my lava cookies with Nutella. Mix-ins are all up to you. It depends on what you have in pantry or what you like. If you don't like hazelnuts, you can add almond. If you don't like any nuts, you can just leave them out. If you don't want to add chocolate, why wouldn't you? But you can just leave them out, or you can add milk chocolate, ruby chocolate, anything you like. And instead of Nutella, you can add peanut butter, you can add chocolate ganache. You can just make a quick ganache with equal quantity of chocolate and cream. The list is endless and it depends on how creative you want to get with it. Okay, enough chit chat, let's start baking. Go there. We'll start with beating both our sugar with butter. You can use a whisk or a hand blender or even a stand mixer. This process shouldn't be difficult if your butter is at room temperature. Again, if you don't have brown sugar, you can use all white sugar. If you don't have white sugar, you can use all brown sugar. Once it's all well combined, I'll add an egg and some vanilla extract. I forgot to show vanilla extract during all the ingredients, but you can find all the ingredient quantities in YouTube description box below. Once that's all well incorporated, we'll add in our dry ingredients. That's our flour, baking powder and salt. I started with my hand blender, but then I soon switched to my spatula just to ensure that I do not overmix this batter. Do not overmix it. Once that's all well combined, I'll add my add-ins. Now this is where you can get creative and add whatever you have in hand or whatever you like. I'll be using some dark chocolate from Caribou, some Caribou gold chocolates and some toasted chopped hazelnuts because I'm gonna add Nutella in it anyway. So hazelnut Nutella, perfect. Once add-ins are properly incorporated, the dough is ready, but here's the hard part. You need to let it rest in refrigerator for at least 1 to 2 hours. The resting really helps relaxing the dough and it's kind of necessary. So don't skip that step. Cover it in cling wrap and put it in refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Now comes the fun part, our filling. As I said, I'll be filling my lava cookies with Nutella. So I'll take a tray, line it with some parchment paper, add some Nutella in a piping bag, pipe some dollops and freeze them completely until they are rock hard. It's been 2 hours and now I want some cookie. First, I'll preheat my oven to 175 degrees Celsius to get it nice and ready for my cookies. Then I'll take the dough out from the refrigerator. The next step can get a little messy, so I recommend wearing gloves. Take some cookie dough. The size depends on whatever size you want. Add in your Nutella, frozen Nutella from freezer, and roll the cookie dough in the palm of your hand until it becomes a nice ball and place them on cookie sheet. Make sure to give some distance between each cookie because they will spread in the oven. You can make them either huge or really tiny ones. I made these tiny ones for cake topper. This one was 25 grams and took around 6 minutes in the oven. This one was 35 to 40 grams each and took around 10 minutes in the oven. Look at the Nutella. And there's chunks of hazelnuts. Oh, come on. Perfectly crispy on the outside and so soft inside. That's my kind of cookie. If you make these, which I really think you should, click pictures and tag me on Instagram. Until then, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.